Alright, you guys. New spot. Mouse. You thought I didn't have a mouse. Just got one today. Yeah. So we're gonna head over and so we're gonna make a pet system. Alright. We're gonna get this for 0 Robux. Alright, so you can make a pet, a system. And everything will be done pretty much. And then we're gonna head over to the studio. Um, and then we're gonna head over to, let's say, TV Hobby. I'm pretty much gonna do that. It's also public always again, and description link below. Alright, and then we're gonna come in, and we're gonna load in, and let's say, did they also come here for the maintain mark? I don't think so. Also, if you want to play this movie, so I did ungroup this event as well as an egg hatching system. So let's go to the toolbox, into the inventory, and then the pet system, and then we'll go here, and then we have important replicated storage. So replicated storage. Replicated storage. All right, there we go. And then what is it? And the service. Is there no storage UI? Service scope service. Also, you're gonna show you that. So control U that, and then you're also head up here, head up here, head up here, and ungroup this space. Alright, so and those are the eggs, and and that's it. Okay, click the detector. Cost button coin. 10 tax. One. Ten text. 0.0. I'm gonna change that to free. FREE. Me. And then now you can get that egg. That's gonna say free. And then okay, yeah. Let's test it, and let me just copy here really quick. No, you should get it. That's you're there. Inventory. 100,000 coins. Okay, this just made a leak board. Okay. Okay. Oh, why do I keep like getting royalty points? Alright, so secret events. Gotcha. We'll just do this by I have. Oh, what? No, it's not supposed to. What? Okay, hold on. That's okay. So the debts are fixed. You can. I was like, is it fixed? Oh God, I forgot. You do that. Alright, nice. We're gonna jump. That should take us. What's gonna? What did I just do? Okay, I did it. 100,000 coins. For some reason that's 100,000. Where's a leaderboard? Okay, no, don't you dare. Okay, I just will. Let's take. Alright. Climb up this mini ladder. You can also climb down this ladder if you wish, but that's only for getting up. And then there's like a platform thingy. I start back where I was, because it's weird because I am supposed to. Okay, yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, there was this one. And then it's okay. Yeah, watch this coin. You get a kitty, and then, but it's pets. You get it, and then you get the kitty. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye. Bye.